Done?
1 second, ma'am.
Yeah.
Uh,
I'm sorry. Yeah.
I'm going to ask you a naive question. Pardon me for that. But
Please.
when you talk about any shloka or recite the shloka, why do you recite with uh, melodiously? Why can't you just read like the way you read any other topic, right? Any other content?
Got
Why do you read that
habituated. Maybe I
melodiously?
got programmed.
Okay, that's it, right? But there is
Yeah.
no any other.
No,
Okay,
no, no. I
ठीक
got
है.
subconsciously programmed in such a way.
Okay.
I guess it is. I guess it is Gita, na? Gita is a song actually.
Yeah. Shall I move ahead?
Yes, I mean, the reason why I asked you that question was I may not be able to do it, but in case if that is how you got to sing a sloka, so I just trying to do that.
No, no, no. You can read it also.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I finished. You can go ahead.
Done. 33rd. 33rd is also similar to that. If at all you read the meaning, I want someone of you to read the meaning of that. 33rd one. Nikita ji. Yes,
If,
ma'am.
however, you do not perform your religious duty of fighting, then you will certainly incur sins for neglecting your duties and thus lose your reputation as a fighter.
Yes, exactly. So, as a father, okay, let me read this loka also. अधच्छेत्वमिमं धर्म्यं संग्रामं न करिष्यसि ततस्वधर्मं कीर्तिं च हित्वा पापमवाप्यसि. So here what is happening, if at all we don't perform our duty, we get a bad name. A father is not doing his duty, what we all call him. An employee is not performing the duty right way, righteous way, then what we call them? If manager is not performing his duty in the right way, what we call them? So if someone is not performing their duty, what they are supposed to do, if they are not doing, then they will be blamed. They will get a bad name. They will be pointed out by everyone. So when we are pointed out by someone, obviously we feel bad. We start weeping or crying, or we will be in a very sad state. So if at all you don't want to be in that state, kindly perform your duties. But usually how the humankind expects, they don't want to do the duty what they are doing, but still they want the appraisal from the other end. Is it possible? It's not possible. So that is the reason when we are working on self, first we need to analyze what are really our duties. Am I doing my duty and still am I getting pointed out? Then we need not care it, because we will have that satisfaction that I am doing what am I supposed to do. So people, they have
Here in the
to.
shloka, what is it called? The one who does not perform their duties. What's that word?
Which one? No,
Here
they
in
are
this.
not called anything, but like, people will start pointing out them.
Okay.
You are asking that in shloka?
Yes.
No, here See, here they are saying like, you will quit off your, like, whatever the fame have, you will get the defame. So, see, swadharmam kirtim hitva papam avapyasi. So, you will get the defame and you will get into the state of sin. So, sin is nothing but what? All the negative emotions will get attached to us. When we don't perform the duty, people start pointing out. When people start pointing out, we have such a mentality that we don't like someone to show their finger towards us. Then obviously we feel disappointed. When we are disappointed, multiple emotions will capture us. Right?
Shirisha ji very beautifully put that sentence. If she can repeat, that will be nice.
Nikita ji, read the meaning of it. No, Rukmini ji has read the meaning, I guess.
Yeah. Someone, when you ask them to.
Yeah.
If, however, you do not perform your religious duty of fighting, then you will certainly incur sins for neglecting your duties and thus lose your reputation as a fighter.
As a fighter.
Done?
Yes.
Now 34th sloka. Can someone read 34th sloka?
You are in 33 shloka.
Read it, ma'am.
33 we just now finished.
Yeah, you have to
34,
skip the
right?
screen.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I can read.
Yeah, sir. Please.
34th shloka. Akirtin chapi bhutani kachanti te vyayam sankha bhavyatya chakirti maranatha richyate sambhavitasya chakirti maranadhichyate.
Yeah.
Okay, madam?
Yeah.
किंचा भूतानि कथच्यन्ति ते व्ययाम् संभावितस्य च कीर्ति मरणाधतिरच्यते.
Thank you. Rukmini ji, read the meaning of it.
I will read.
People will always speak of your infamy.
Rukmini ji is reading, sir. Let her read.
Okay.
Yeah.
People will always speak of your infamy, and for a respectable person, dishonor is worse than death.
So what happens when we don't perform our duties? The
People
same
will
thing
definitely-
which is similar to the earlier one, when we get dishonored, that is worse than the death because we feel it. We feel it. Dishonored is worse than a death because, like, someone is gossiping about us, someone is backbiting, someone is talking some nonsense about us. We cannot take it. We can't sleep, and all the negative emotions attack. So we feel it worse than the death. We cannot live with such things. So instead of that, perform your duties. Arjuna, the Krishna was mentoring Arjuna in this way. Nikita ji, 35th sloka.
Ma'am, you're too fast today.
Because I need to finish, because next week we need to go for conflict management.
Yeah, I'll read the 35th sloka.
Yeah.
Bhayat ranat uparatam mamyaseyante tvam maharathaha yasamka tvam bahumataha bhutva yasyasi laghavam. Should I read the meaning of it? Laghavam. Yeah.
Please
The
skip the
great
screen.
journals who have highly esteemed your name and fame will think that you have left the battlefield out of fear only, and thus they will consider you are insignificant.
Bhayadranaduparatam masyante tvam maharadhaah yesham chatvam bahumato bhutva yasyasya laghavam. So till now, with whom you have,
Please flip the screen. We can't see it on the screen, the shloka.
you are not